What's up, guys? Check it out. This is the Anderson Composites radiator cover. Let me just make sure that you guys are in the proper angle here. You get in the view. Perfect. Everything looks good. So this is just a short install video, you guys. So the proper way that you should install a radiator cover plate on a 5th gen Camaro is by removing the front bumper. Now you can install one of these without removing the front bumper by simply popping the hood for one. There's plenty of videos on YouTube about removing the bumper. But then what you would have to do is take the fasteners out of the top, which actually go into the holes here. And then from there, you'll be left with your 10mm bolts that you see that I'm actually touching. Now normally this would already be in here. You'd have a steel plate with this radiator cover. The only way you'd be able to get that off is by, like I said, removing the fasteners and then prying up on the top of the bumper cover so that you could try to wiggle it and pull it out. I don't believe that's a good way. So for me, the best fit, especially trying not to damage the beautiful carbon fiber that you see. Unfortunately, it's a cloudy day, overcast, we have no sunshine, so you can't really see how well this carbon fiber pops, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's a piece made by Anderson Composites. You may see these little areas right here, and what I did is I reinforced the whole area with some resin for my own particular project, because I'm very anal about the way the gaps are on my bumper, so I do things a little bit differently from the other guys that's done the 6th gen conversion. But what I'm going to do is simply, these are just barely placed in here, so I'm going to remove these bolts by hand. I'll place the radiator cover there. Hopefully you guys still got a shot of that. Quick video for you. Okay, now that the hardware is removed, simply just line it up and go ahead and finger tight with their 10mm bolts. I like to get all 4 here. Going by hand first, then we're tightening these up with the wrench. And that'll be it. I have the bumper off because I want to go ahead and fix a couple gap issues. I probably should make a video about this, but one of the things about going aftermarket, the more things that you add, just the potential for more problems to be had, honestly. But not a real concern with me, because some of these things are worth the headache or the research, and sometimes there's no headache at all. You know, just a simple cosmetic mod. Remember, carbon fiber definitely makes your car lighter from a performance factor. Alright, so now that I got these things all tightened down by hand, I am just going to continue to tighten them with the wrench. Now, I could have looked up some torque spec for you guys, and I apologize for not doing so, but this is a minor thing. As long as it's nice and firm, you should be good to go. That feels tight. No shake. Actually, I'm going to try to push this back a little bit further. Further I have this back, the closer my bumper will be to the peak of the hood. Because I want the bumper to get sucked up. And naturally the bumper wants to fall down, which is the reason why I filled these holes with resin. Because I'm going to drill a hole, and I'm going to put the fastener back in there. But with the fasteners that I have from stock, it gave it a little bit of play. So the bumper wants to tend to fall forward. and my goal is to get the bumper back as far, seated back as far as I can. That way I can eliminate a gap in between the actual bumper and where the hood meets. Well, guys and girls, I mean, it's really that simple. That was it for my install. I removed the camera from the tripod here and go ahead and show you. Oh, focus. Anyway, this is a beautiful piece made by Anderson Composites. Look, there's the Camaro. Bumper off, looking crazy. Alright guys, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. It's the Anderson Composites radiator cover there. I'll put a link in the description for you guys if you're interested in that. Sub to the channel if you like this content. You can also follow me on Instagram with the same name, Mr. Too Hard to See. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. San Quentin Camaro signing out.